For the first test, I wanted to see how the mice would react when each repellent was introduced into the environment. When I placed the Ex Manija repeller into the bucket, the mice actually moved toward it. They put their heads near the speaker openings, climbed on top of the device, and continued moving around normally. Even with the flashing lights activated, the mice didn't appear distressed or repelled and continued scrambling on and around the unit. For this one, I sprayed one side of the bucket with the Mighty Mint repellent. One mouse went over briefly, scratched its face for a moment, and then moved away to the opposite side. The second mouse attempted to approach the sprayed area, but quickly turned back. Both mice stayed on the non-sprayed side for an extended period of time. With the hay cone device, the mice continued roaming the bucket as usual. A few times they stood on their hind legs, and at one point, one mouse jumped as if it was trying to get out. But overall, their behavior didn't change in any consistent or noticeable way. When the Pine Mag repeller was introduced, one of the mice jumped twice initially. After about a minute, however, both mice went back to roaming around the bucket just as they had with the other ultrasonic devices. For the boar hood unit, I taped the device to the side of the bucket. Once it was turned on, the mice continued their normal behavior, standing on their hind legs, but they were actually trying to climb up the side of the bucket where the device was mounted, rather than avoiding it. With the Ultra repeller, the mice moved in the same corner where the device was placed and attempted to climb toward it. Instead of avoiding the area, they stayed near the unit, which is the opposite of what the product claims to do. So after running the initial reaction test, here's what stood out. None of the ultrasonic devices caused the mice to avoid the area. The only product that caused a noticeable change of behavior was the Mighty Mint spray.